Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 4 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really busy week here at SMS, as you can see from the pictures. And if you don't already follow us on Facebook, I would definitely suggest that you take a look at Facebook. We do have lots of activities and pictures from the week that have been posted there. Also, we have a really busy week upcoming for this week. It is homecoming week, so in accordance with homecoming and in working with the high school, we are having some dress-up days. It is Monday is Spirit Wear, Tuesday is Western, Wednesday is USA Gear, Thursday is a Decade Day, and then Friday is Bring It Friday, as always. So also on the calendar for this week, we are having our online book fair. I've got some information about that on the last page of the connection for your parents if you want to see that. There's also some information about that on Facebook. On Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 8. On Tuesday, we are having on-demand benchmark in English language arts. And there's also a board meeting on Tuesday. On Wednesday, teachers, we have some training after school for Actively Learn. So that will start as soon as students are released. And then on Thursday, we'll have PLCs. We'll also have some students with us from MSU. Friday is the dental van. We also have Kona Ice at SMS on Friday. So students, make sure you bring a little bit of extra money with you if you are interested in getting Kona Ice on Friday. And then Saturday, it is the Hillsboro Fall Festival. And it's also Jacob Hartzell, Officer Hartzell's birthday. So this week for our student spotlight, we would like to congratulate our students who participated in the 4-H show and sale that was held Thursday, September 14th at Fleming County High School. In the picture shown are McKinley Mulholland, Riley Berry, Carter Ishmael, Caitlin Florence, Ava Bowling, and TJ McGlone. Absent from the photo are Kaylee Bussell, Danica Carpenter, Skylar Carpenter, Landon Florence, Lena Reno, and Brantley Stam. The youth started with their livestock in the spring between the months of March and May. They have fed, nurtured, trained, and learned bookkeeping, record-keeping skills throughout the whole process. Many of them have traveled to area shows and fairs and concluded their season at the 4-H show and sale on Thursday. This group of talented students profited over $20,000 when selling their livestock. We have numerous showmanship, weight, and class winners as well as record book standouts. Lena Reno had the grand champion, Market Hog, and Brantley Stam was the reserve champion with his Market Steer and won the junior showmanship in the 9 to 11-year-old division. Congratulations to all these students and their families for their dedication and our wonderful community for supporting them. So congratulations, students. I'm very proud of all of you. All right, a few announcements. Don't forget we still have that RADA fundraiser going on, and we also are still selling Bring It shirts. Parents have had a few of you reach out and say that your kid didn't get an order form. We did send those home quite a while ago, so if they need another one, we keep those like in this black shelf outside of the office. They can grab one. And that's basically where we house all of our information and papers. If students need a field trip permission form or whatever, it's usually in that black folder right outside the office. Also, if you haven't done so already, 7th grade parents, Kentucky 9th Museum. This is the QR code to register for that trip. We will only be taking registrations through October the 1st. And then below that is the registration information for Washington, D.C. And that is an 8th grade trip only. As I mentioned earlier, we are having a book fair this week at SMS. It is online only. But if you are interested in purchasing books to support our school library, you can scan that QR code and it will take you directly to the book fair. And Cougars for Christ is announcing the prayer at the pole. In case of rain, we will move this activity to the gym. But we will be doing this out on the front lawn of SMS at 7 a.m. on September the 27th. And all community, parents, students are invited to attend. And that's all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.